In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can clean up your Canvas dashboard. To clean up your Canvas dashboard, you're going to be able to go into Canvas, and from the dashboard, you'll be able to remove or add certain course cards or tiles to your dashboard. So in order to get rid of tiles or to add certain tiles to your dashboard, you're going to want to, on the left side of the screen, in the blue menu over here, select where it says Courses. And then from the list of courses, right below that, it says All Courses. When you click on All Courses, you'll now see a list of all the courses that you're associated or part of inside of Canvas. So in order to add courses to the dashboard, you'll want to make sure that the courses are starred. So on the left side of the screen here, you can simply star the courses that you want to add to the dashboard. So you'll just simply click on the star, and those courses will then be added to the dashboard. In the same process, if you unstar the course, it removes it from your dashboard. So you'll still be a member of that course. You'll still have access to that course if you ever needed it, but it unstars it to clean it up your dashboard. So in summary, any course that you want to appear on your dashboard, whether it's just one course or 4 or 5 courses, you just scroll through your courses here and star those courses that you want added to your dashboard.